Welcome back. Okay, big day in our province. Step 2. We are officially into that reopening. Mike Eppel joins us now because not everyone happy. Good morning, Mike.
Yeah, that's right, Melanie. Good morning. It's the slow pace of the rollout still for many sectors of the economy. You look outside Ontario, and as of tomorrow, things are going to be reopened pretty much across the board. We just heard again yesterday about from our new medical officer of health talking about taking a slow and cautious approach to stage 3, which would include gyms, indoor dining at restaurants, and the tourism industry, and the fitness industry specifically still railing about what the premier said on Monday, basically not talking about reopening gyms anytime soon. And another open letter from the industry issued late last night saying they're in disbelief after Doug Ford didn't really make mention of the fitness industry, which has been shut down, and that there has been no proof given by the province or medical officials about why you can't go to work out, physically and distance within a gym, and how this has affected that industry specifically. And then we also had a news conference yesterday from the tourism and travel industry talking about losing so far upwards of $8 billion because everything's been shut down. The theater industry, they want Mervish Productions. How do they get back into business? What are the protocols? They don't know. They want guidance from the province, the feds, the hotel industry struggling. Everybody's kind of waiting again for the next phase, and it doesn't look like it's going to be happening ahead of the right now prescribed dates.
If anything, maybe just a few days, like we've seen for step 1 and 2 bumped up ever so slightly, but will that make a difference? I think just to something like the gym, the fitness industry, a lot of people are reconsidering, do I even when they do open up, do I even need a gym membership anymore? They're figuring out different lifestyles. I know a lot of people have been buying their own equipment. I mean, there will be always the hardcore people who will go, and they like the guidance, they like the classes, but a lot of people are, taking the other route.
And the fitness industry specifically was saying the messages that are coming from the province indicate that gyms are somehow not safe. Right? And that's another, maybe I don't want to go back to the gym because of that, right? The hesitancy.
Yeah, there's all of that. And I do feel for those in the travel and tourism industry, because really suffering with the borders closed, that's for sure. I don't know what the numbers are.
Think about all the jobs. Think about all the jobs. The people who have been off work for more than a year now and still aren't sure when they're going to get back and how that's all going to restart.
All right, so let's talk vaccines, or let's say vaccine makers. Moderna, their stock hitting another record high.
Yeah, well, the latest test results indicate that the mRNA vaccines by either Moderna or Pfizer, or CureVac is another one now that's in development, long-term efficacy against COVID-19. It could last for years, potentially, the vaccine results, and strong results against the Delta variant. These are all very positive signals, Melanie. Let's face it. And the more people get vaccinated, the faster we can get to full reopening and stop worrying about this to some extent, take the edge off a little bit. So, yeah, Moderna's share price year to date is up 127%, and it's more than doubled over the past year.
Mike, we got about 30 seconds left. I want to travel out west. We are following the heat, but this is also having an impact on canola.
Yeah, and agricultural commodities in general. Let's face it, the heat wave is now all of a sudden having a lot of people reassessing the crop size this year because, you want it to be warm, but not this warm. So all of a sudden they're lowering their estimates, and could have a consumer impact. We've seen commodity prices go up substantially in the first half of this year. Today's the last day of the first half of 2021, Melanie. The price for oil, for example, is up by 52% year to date, coming in close to $74 a barrel. And from the stock market perspective, the TSX is up 15.7%.
Wow.
So far.
All right,
in 2021.
As we look to the second half of 2021, let's just hope it's just better overall.
It will be.
Oh, it should be. There you go. Mr. Positivity. Have a great one, Mike. We'll talk to you on Monday. Because we won't have a show for the next couple days. So there we have it. Breaking news. All right. See you in a bit, Mike. Thanks. 6:17 is your time right now. Another province just announcing it is dropping its mask mandate for indoor public spaces. We'll tell you where next.